First thing we do is we put it in drive. The only way that you know you're in drive is you hear a soft clicking behind you. Other than that, it's just time to party. So we've got a walk mode, jog, sprint, and then we don't talk about rip. We're looking for something that we can put new drivers in that can comfortably just like go out and have a great time. Oh yeah, that's good. We like that. But it's good. You can like tip the car in with just a touch of throttle, and then you have the easiest handbrake use ever. All right, so we've done walk. We like walk. I'm not even gonna go jog. I'm just gonna go straight to sprint. We'll see the difference. So sprint is, oh, there you go. Sprint is pure tire eviscerating, sheer violence. Whoa, it's incredible. You hit the gas, you're gone. So flickable. We can just play all day. Ah! It's a revelation. Hi, Mom! I can do this for a week. I can absolutely do this for a week. Oh, the hop over the crest. Oh, goodness gracious. You know, the fun thing, that crest is called Kubo's Crest. It's named for our late friend Kubo Portis, who passed away heartbreakingly in an accident a few weeks ago. And there will never be a time that I come over that crest and I don't think of it. But what a fitting way to do it. Violently sideways in a toy that I can only think of the words Kubo would have if he got to drive this. Oh man. It'd be some combination of profanity and dick jokes that you could mostly understand. There'd be a bit of accent slipping through as usual. Don't hit the tractor tires, which I'm famous for doing this week. Nice and easy through Pond Loop. Back around. Left-hand corners only. Give it a big drift. If he wants a left, we'll give him a big left here. Let's give him a big, big, big left. Oh, there it is. That's what we like to see. Oh, yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. Okay, and we're back. Whoa, now the guy's gonna turn into the corner here. He's gonna try and get the car to not hit the cone, but he's gonna hit the cone anyway. Now he's coming up over the crest, and he goes, whoa, comes down on the end, hooks the inside of the ditch, just touch there. There he is, look at the speed as he comes in. Oh, it's monumentally ignorant. It's monumentally ignorant. He's flat all the way through the corner. Oh, he's got a bit of hook at the end, and he's back around. Oh, there he is into the tyres. And boom. Oh, too good. I mean, I don't have anything to offer you as far as a vehicle review right now. Are you fucking kidding me? Why would you want to drive anything else? The power delivery is so much smoother, so much more linear than you expect it to be. And it's just like, the car is just endlessly playful. And they're not going to talk me out of it. The only thing that limits the amount of ridiculous fun you can have in this thing is whether you have a level 2 or a level 3 charger in your house. Oh, it's so good. You just get greedy with the angle like I just did. Because once you get it to lock, you've still got so much power and so much torque. You're like, well, can I? But I mean, look at that. Look at how much angle you still have. It's crazy. This like endless amounts of drifting you can do. And I will say part of what's cool with this is you get that just a little tiny bit of regen when you come off throttle. And so if you're drifting and you lift a little bit, the car will kind of naturally want to pull itself straight, just a touch more than what you'd get otherwise. Sorry! Derek got mad at me because I was launching rocks at the shop. Okay, one more big punch of the crest, and then I'm parking this thing because I'm gonna get in trouble because I keep being stupid. Here we go! Whee! You don't even need the handbrake. It's so nice. Oh, okay, anyways. That's enough of my review. I'm just making up shit to talk about now so I can keep driving.